Hello and welcome to today's chapter. Today we'll talk about sum function and sum if function. Sum function is a very simple function which is used to add up the numbers. Sum if function actually adds some criteria to sum function. So let's try both of them. As you can see on my screen, I have a spreadsheet here. Let me make it a little bigger so you can see it. So in this spreadsheet, I have a lot of financial data in this spreadsheet. So let's do the sum function first. Let's say we want to sum these units sold. We want to make sure we want to add all these units. So sum function is very simple. All you have to do is to write sum and then write the rows which you want to add. So in this case, we want to add all these numbers. So you add all these numbers, click enter, and this is sum of all. That's all you have to do. So as I said, write sum, start your brackets, and write D2 to D30. So all the rows here, all the cells here are summed, are added, and this is your sum function. This is how the sum works. Now there is another function which is called sum if. If you want to add some criteria, as you can see on my spreadsheet, I have rows colored by country. So I have colored Canada, I have colored Germany in a different color. So what if we want to add the units sold for Canada and the units sold for Germany, let's say. So for the units sold for Canada, let's say Canada here, we will use sum if because this is a criteria. So the first argument which sum if takes is a range. So in this case, we want the range is country range. So because we want to select one of these countries, so we select A2 to A30. The second criteria is what do we want to select from all of these countries? We want to select Canada. So we select this, which is C32, which is Canada. And the third argument is what do we want to sum? Do we want to add? We want to add units sold. So we select this range here, and that's it. So Canada, if you add all these highlighted units sold, the sum of all these highlighted units would be 13,834. Let's try it again with Germany. So let's say we want to find a sum of all the units sold in Germany. All you have to do is to select, say, sum if, start the range. This range is what do you want to find. So in this case, we want to find a country named Germany. So we select this range. The second argument is criteria. What criteria do we want to find from this range? We want to find Germany. Select Germany. And the third argument is the sum range. What is the range of all the sums where Germany exists? So we select this range and click enter. And this is the sum of all the units sold in Germany. This is how easy it is. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I will get back to you. Thank you very much.